In this RoutBot CNC application video, we will see how to configure the BIOS of the RoutBot CNC controller computer. To enter the BIOS, we press the delete key as the computer is booting. On your computer, you might have to press a different key to enter the BIOS. The first item to configure is the boot sequence. To configure the boot sequence, we go to the BIOS setup. On this particular application, we are booting from the floppy A drive. Therefore, we're going to make sure that the A drive is the first drive in the boot sequence. If we were booting from the CD, we're going to make sure that the CD drive is the first drive in the boot sequence. The next item to configure is the parallel port setting. To enter the parallel port setting, we go to the chipset setup. We're going to make sure that the parallel port is set to ECP mode or bidirectional mode, and that the parallel port address is 378 hexadecimal. The last item to configure is the power saving. To enter the power saving, we go to the power management setup. We got to make sure that the power management or power saving is disabled. Otherwise, the computer will enter sleep mode. When we're done, all we have to do is exit and save those changes. The CNC controller computer is now rebooting. The CNC control computer is now ready for connection.